This is a big win, especially for Governor Abbott. 2 years ago, he was embarrassed when nearly 24 House Republicans joined all Democrats to kill a similar school choice bill. He ran against those Republicans and endorsed their Republican challengers, and most of them won, which led to its historic passage in the House this year and to today's bill signing.
School choice is now the law of the great state of Texas.
A big crowd at the governor's mansion in Austin this afternoon. A source familiar with the event tells me they expected as many as 1,400 people there. Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick, Speaker of the House Dustin Burrows, and Senator John Cornyn were also there. Under this $1 billion law, students who are enrolled into the program will receive about $10,000 to go to an accredited private school. Disabled students will get up to $30,000, and homeschooled students will receive $2,000. While this is a universal program, the state will give priority to students with disabilities and those from low-income families. Parents who spoke said this will give their students another opportunity to succeed in school. The governor credited parents and lawmakers from across Texas for getting this passed.
Today is the culmination of a movement that has swept across our state and across our country. A movement driven by parents.
We've experienced many educational obstacles in the past 3 years, dealing with bullying from teachers, from students, dealing with curriculum issues that just don't meet my standard as a parent.
Now, just before that event and across the street from the governor's mansion, opponents gathered to protest the new state law. The Texas AFL-CIO played host to those who fought against the Education Savings Accounts bill. They include educators in the Texas AFT and Texas House Democrats. Opponents say the program will hurt public schools because when students leave to attend private school, the districts will lose money. Democrats also predict most of the students who will take part in this will already be in private school.
So really, it's a new entitlement program where rich people get to benefit on the backs of working class people. And so, sure, I'm happy to talk about that new entitlement program that Republicans just passed for welfare for the well-off. We're going to do everything we can to roll those types of programs back. But unfortunately, Democrats don't have the levers of power to try to control that.
As we reported yesterday, the Democratic Party chairman told me that they may file a lawsuit to try to block this new law. For now, it will be up to the Texas Comptroller's office to set up the Education Savings Accounts program. That office will have until next May to do so. The program will begin in time for the start of the 2026-27 school year.